I think there's somebody riding a bike in the middle of this junk. Look at that fool. Bicycle. He got stuck in this mess today. Look at this. This is Harlem Avenue. This is the 2011 Chicago. Well, hopefully we'll have a snow day tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping. I'm wishing.